Hey everyone, today we the class of 10th Nova are going to perform an activity on the circles, their parts and their theorems. So we have formed a circle and let us start with a simple definition.
A circle is a collection of all points in a plane which are at the equidistance from a fixed point.
Fixed point of a circle is called its center.
Radius. A radius is a line segment that connects from center to any point of the circle. This is radius.
What is a line segment which is joining any 2 points on the circle? The largest chord passing through center is known as diameter, and also diameter equals to 2 times of radius. A part of a circle is called arc. There are 2 types of arc, major arc and minor arc. The region inside the chord and an arc is known as segment. There are 2 types of segment, major segment and minor segment. The distance between 2 radii and intercepted arc is known as sector. There are 2 types of sectors. One is major sector and another one is minor sector. A line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called secant. A line which touches a circle at exactly 1 point is known as tangent. There are 2 theorems about the tangent. Theorem 1. A tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius at a point of contact. Here, this is the radius and it is the tangent and it is forming 90 degrees at this point. The length of the tangents drawn from the external point of a circle are equal. This is tangent 1 and this is tangent 2. These both are equal. The word tangent comes from the Latin word tangere, which means to touch, and introduced by Thomas Finnegan in 1583.
Start.
The activity that we have performed on circles and their parts and their theorems has come to an end. So I hope you all understood and learned something from it. Thank you all. We, the 10 Nova girls, are signing off.